What is up, YouTube? Today's video, we're going to have some fun here. It's going to be a short, quick one, but it's going to be good. We are installing some lights, underbodies. We had recently picked up a set, threw them on my Subaru. Now there's another set, and they're going on Mike's. We did a little experiment here. We bought some cheap Amazon ones, and then we bought some... Anybody that knows lights knows what that is. So, we're going to test them out. We're going to see what the cheap ones and what a set of good ones look like side by side. And you guys get to come along for the journey. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I just want to show you guys here. Supplied kit. You get these clips here. You get those clips there. You get screws like that. And then these clips have smaller screws. We chose to use these ones. These ones here, pretty self-explanatory. You see the hole in the center? You drill a pilot hole first. Then you screw this to the bottom of your chassis, your car, wherever you want to put it, frame rail, hood, doesn't matter, with the supplied screw right in the middle like so. Like that, but the other way. And then you use a zip tie.
Otherwise,
right through the edge.
The other ones, which they're aluminum housings, you got that clip. They will clip directly to it, and they're pretty secure. So I mean, for easy removal, clip on, clip off. We're gonna go to zip tie route though.
Yes, zip tie.
Okay.
Test fit.
And drill a couple holes since I know where I'm going. Get that test one there. Thick. Get these two in. There's one. And there's two. Let's see how that's going to sit in there. It'll sit fairly well. I think I'm gonna mount one more here in the middle, right there. Out of my eyes, of course. Okay, now I need some zip ties. My backside.
So if you notice, you broke it down and screwed in 4 pieces.
3.
3?
I used 3. I didn't want to drill through the thicker stuff in the back.
It still ain't going nowhere.
Nah. And if anything, I can always screw some more in later. But 3 should be enough. It's not structural. A little bit of bend. Now that I got all those in. So this kit's the Dream Chaser kit. So basically from the front to the back is going to spin in a circle. So the kit's got, I don't know if you see them, if I'm pointing in the right spot, but there's some arrows pointing in the direction. That'll be the direction your lights will be chasing. So mine, I'm going to go front to back. Some people might want to go back to front, but I'm going front to back.
And before we install the other side, we'll show you a little better picture of the arrow he was speaking of.
I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah. A little bit of slide. They ain't going nowhere. And I will be cutting these zip ties. Don't worry about it.
Alright, so there was a part under the car where he was talking about arrows. And right there is one of them.
They're sliding back. Now, on the front and back, they're also different. On the fronts, if you go to the middle, you got an arrow pointing this way. And you got an arrow pointing this way. So that'll be coming from the front of the car, and they'll end in the center of the car, where the front I got the arrow going this way and this way from the center. So depending on how you want your kit, if you want the front to go to the back or vice versa, that's what you're going to do.
So we were kind of looking at it back here, and with the rear light bar, it's going to be really difficult to mount, just because of the whole fact he has a really nice rear diffuser on this car. So executive decisions were made, and it's getting zip tied right to the diffuser. But it's going to be in a way so you can't see it from behind the car.
Yeah, nobody likes seeing lights under the car.
That's that sign when you know you're drilling into a $500 rear diffuser.
I don't think it goes small noses by for that one. Yes, I might. If anyone was wondering, this is an Aeroflow Dynamics rear diffuser V2, along with their splitter for the front and sides, both V2. Not a fan of the big points coming out the back of them and stuff that everyone else likes.
And that's the cool part about buying your own shit. You get what you want.
Pretty sturdy kit though for what you pay. It's nice because I can just use the bars, hide the wires, screw everything in, bada bing, bada boom. Now we just gotta run the wires, zip tie everything up. Some nice areas I can go off the diffuser brackets. Keep everything nice and clean. Don't want to tangle anything moving. So make sure you run your stuff properly.
So we won't bore you guys with that because nobody wants to see zip tying wires. So we'll catch back up with you in a few minutes.
So what I did is I wired it directly to the battery. I hid everything underneath my fender shrouds, trying to keep it nice and hidden. Just tuck it all away. There you go. The box is over here for the controller for the Dream Light or Dream Color, whatever you want to call them. So that's sitting underneath here also. I got the controller. If you want to see what they look like up in the air right now, you got on, multiple colors. You got brightnesses. When it flashes the white, that means you're at your highest or lowest setting. So that was lowest. That was your brightest setting. So that's the brightest they go. You got your colors. You got modes. You got speed, which that's the lowest speed it goes. That'll be the fastest. Side view over here. You can see the colors chasing. Different modes. So yeah, different, just all in all fun.
They do supply you with an inline fuse.
Some kids offer inline fuse where you can put into your fuse block. I think some of them come with a cigarette lighter option. I don't know if that didn't come with my kit, but I know that was what they sent me, so that's what I went with. But I have seen other kits that offer inline fuse to the battery, a fuse directly off your fuse block, or a cigarette lighter option, which who wants to plug in their cigarette lighter anyways. going off the battery, turn it on and off. You go to a car show, you turn it on, turn it off when you want. You're fine. They will not kill your battery. They're LED. They don't really take a lot. If it kills your battery, you got some bad draw somewhere else then. But all in all, we'll put it on the ground and get a couple shots of it outside.
Turn the lights on. All right, so that's pretty much your comparison. On your left side, you have my car, the green car, which has the $40 Amazon ones on it, which are soft. They're kind of like a rope light type of deal that you put underneath there. It comes in 4 different pieces. It's really easy to put in. Just some self-tappers, couple zip ties, no big deal. Anybody can do it. And on the right-hand side, on the white Subaru, you have the nice ones, the $100 set.
Op 7.
Op 7.
Dream Chaser.
We'll let you guys make a decision on what's better. Put it on down in the comments. I say you pay for what you get. And if you got the money, buy the $100 ones. They definitely are brighter, nicer, easier to install, work really well. But if you cheap and you broke and you ain't got no money, $40 works too.